Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Suzuki Boulevard M50. This one's got a really cool two-tone silver and gray paint scheme with a tribal pattern. Air intake, super awesome sounding exhaust, engine guards, luggage rack, saddlebags, Mustang custom saddle, passenger backrest. Come by, make your dreams come true with this really awesome 805cc V-twin shaft drive, liquid cooled, fuel injected cruiser. It's also got floorboards. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 13,000 miles. Come by, make your cruiser dreams come true for just $39.99. Check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.